Hi everyone, it's Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking. I'm glad you dropped in today because we're going to do something very good. It's homemade ice cream, and it has nothing to do with the way people used to make ice cream. You may have seen this, my pastor's wife did this a couple of years ago, and it was really the best ice cream I have ever ate with nothing. And she made strawberry and vanilla. The strawberry was excellent. Today we're going to make a butter pecan. That's because my son requested butter pecan. There's 3 ingredients: heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, and then after it's ready, then you put your fruits or berries or anything you want to in it. If you're using anything besides, I've got a bottle of pecan flavoring, you would use vanilla. A teaspoon of vanilla is a very good amount to use for any of these. Just use the whole thing. This is 32 ounces, a quart. Takes about 5 minutes. Well, that was fast. That was 5 minutes, and it didn't take 5 minutes. Actually, it took 3 minutes. Now, when it's, peak, stiff, real stiff, so then you put your sweetened condensed milk. Well, I know it's thick, but didn't realize it's that thick all the time.
Setting up device. Please wait.
Now, I don't know how much of this to put in here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put maybe a cap, 2 caps full, and try it again because I don't think it'd be good if it's overpowering. Like it was a little off balance there. Now I'm going to put about 2/3 cup of pecans, big pieces. My son likes the big pieces. Well, I should put the rest of them.
Setting up device. Please wait.
And the next step is the freezer. It really does take 4, 5, 6 hours. When it's real hard like ice cream, it's time to serve. And you see it makes a whole lot. Well, more than 14 ounces you get in the freezer at Walmart anymore.
Setting up device. Please wait.
Oops. Well, I really didn't check to see if it was enough flavoring, but oh well. Yeah, it is. Perfect. Perfect. Thank goodness. pretty much over and on a quart, isn't it? We don't even get a quart in the boxes at Walmart or Kroger, wherever you go. Okay. Step one of the ice cream. We'll be back and hop, skip, and jump. Well, our ice cream is ready. I've had it in the refrigerator. I've had it freezing about 5 hours. I don't know which one's the best. Look at that, see? That means this one's not it. See how hard it is? I can see that in the middle, maybe not so hard. But that would be normal, I think. I hope you try this. I'm telling you, if you don't think it's the best ice cream you've ever ate, whatever, you'll let me know, because I swear I think it's the best I've ever ate. It's not grainy. It's smooth. Please try this. Let me know how you like it. That little bit of pecan flavor was just perfect. Please try this and let me know. Take care of yourself. Remember to join. I'll see you soon.